What up, mga subscribers, no? Ay guys, so makikita niyo ulit yung setup ko ngayon, no? Medyo in-explore ko kasi guys, kung ano po, kung saan kami mas makakaluwag, no? Yun nga, kasi medyo masikip po yung setup ng aking ano, na din yung kwarto ko maliit, no? Unlike before, kung naalam niyo po yung mga way back 2024 na videos ko, no? Malaking kwarto ko. Pero ngayon guys, maliit kasi, tayo, kailangan na maging practical sa buhay ngayon. As in, kailangan na po talaga, no? And yan, lumipat na, kumbaga sa inyo, lumipat na kami, no? And mag-move out ba tamang term doon? Basta, para na kami, bumukod na kami, no? Pero hindi mo totally bukod, pero kailangan na kasi namin, syempre, dahil sa work po, guys, no? Sa work po, guys, no? Work related, no? So, ito yung pinaka-convenient sa amin, no? Sa, ayan. Okay guys, ito po, panoorin po natin yung update sa ating mahaliman. So, very big shoutout kay Miss O, no? So, ito po, ang title ng papanoorin po natin, ito po yung Thai host revelation about SB19 will impress you more, no? So, tara guys, panoorin na ito, no? So, very big shoutout kay Miss O, no? Kanya po itong video na to. And wag nyo nga kalimutan, syempre, na mag-subscribe, no? Pasensya na ako paulit-ulit, no? Pero syempre, sobrang deserve ni Miss O yan dahil isa sa mga legit talaga na pagdating sa updates po sa Mahalima, no? Isa yan na nagbibigay sa atin ng mga updates, no? So, tara, let's go.
Thai host's revelation about SB19 will impress you more.
Akala ko si ano, sino yun? Yung, si DJ, ano yun? Nalimutan ko pangalan niya. Kamukha niya, akala ko siya. Yung sa thumbnail kasi yun eh. Excuse me.
SB19 always leaves a good impression from the people they have worked or interacted with. From concert goers, fans, co-workers, even to the staff and crew. And here's another one who is clearly impressed with SB19, the Thai host who interviewed them in Thailand before their Simula at Wakas concert. According to her, she has seen and felt the genuineness of the boys.
Always. So it's like, of course. And I said that, you know, sometimes I interview some of the artists, and I can feel that outbreak.
It was chaotically fun with this amazing guys, official SB19. Let's do it again. No? So, natuwa siya guys. So, chaotically fun. Ibig sabihin, magulo siya, pero yung pagiging magulo niya is masaya. No? At the same time, pati yung host nasasayahan po siya. No? Yan, one of my best interview. They are lit. Thank you so much for sharing this.
According to her, she has seen and felt the genuineness of the boys.
Always. So it's like, of course. And I say that, you know, sometimes I interview some of the artists, and I can feel that outbreak. But these guys are genuine. Like, they are good for me. You can feel, right? Yeah. Like, they're actually like very grateful about the fans. They love 18 for real.
Actually, yun yes, sa mga magandang traits ng SB19. Sobrang thankful sila sa fans. Although maraming mga artists, mga grupo, mga music producers, or basta mga artists guys, no? Kahit artista mismo guys, no? Thankful sila sa mga fans nila. Ibang level lang po talaga pagdating sa SB19, no? Kasi guys, tandaan nyo, SB19, pati sa mga post nila, minimension nila ang kanilang mga fans, which is 18 po guys, no? Minimension nila, binibigyan nila ng special priority talaga ang 18 guys, no? Kasi iba rin naman kasi talaga kung paano sumuporta po talaga ang 18, no? Ganun kasolid po talaga ang 18, no? Ibang level po talaga yung fandom ng 18. For me, 18, isa yan sa mga fandom talaga. If not, sila yung pinakasolido po talaga na fandom, no? Na pagdating po sa mga ganyang bagay is talagang napakagrabe. Sobrang dedicated po sila, no?
Not just like, I love you guys, but they are really grateful. They are really thoughtful. That's why I can see that's a lot of love sending to them. That's why. That's making sense.
Thank you for your kind words.
Yeah. Oh, and I will be at the homecoming as well. Oh, really? I made a promise with them, so.
Kind words.
Yeah. Oh, and I will be at the homecoming as well. Oh, really? I made a promise with them, so.
Make me your best friend.
Yeah. So see you at the homecoming. You guys all will always be there, right? We actually work here. For the Philippines. No, they say that it's big.
Makikita niya sa expression ng host guys, no? Or yung host guys, no? Na talagang interesado siya magkwento, no, sa SB19, no? Kasi syempre tandaan niyo guys, pag halimbawa in-interview kasi isang tao or sa isang grupo, no, tapos i-explain mo yung anong comment mo, anong feeling mo na interview mo sila, no, merong junk part guys na kahit sabihin natin 30 seconds lang or 1 minute lang, ikukwento mo yun. Pero siya guys, sobrang tagal na niya kinukwento ang SB19, no? As in, no? All throughout this interview na nakikita natin, no? Talagang puro SB19, as in marami siyang nasi-share, marami siyang mga nabibigay na thoughts, marami siyang nabibigay na mga promises, di ba? Atin nga daw siya sa concert ng SB19, di ba? No? And, excuse me, atin daw siya sa concert ng SB19, no? And yun, dyan mo makikita guys, talagang naging fan siya ng SB19, no? Di ba? So, +1 na naman tayo, no? +1 member ng 80. Let's go!
Better.
Yeah.
Like it's gonna be like a huge thing, right? For the homecoming. Yeah, which is around like next year, right?
Yeah, summer, I
So
think.
flying from Bangkok, why not?
As long as not like working days.
How what?
As long as not working days.
Yeah, as long as it's working
It's
days.
for working days. So take a leave. Take a leave. It's worth it. You think?
Ano, mag-take ng leave. Tama ba mag-aaral ko?
So take a leave.
How what? As long as not working days.
Yeah, as long as it's working
It's
days.
for working days. So take a leave. Take a leave. It's worth it. You think? You know, being in a homecoming to supporting them, is it worth it to take a leave? For plane ticket, everything, it's worth it.
Paano kaya yun guys, no? Lagay mo sa leave form mo, no? We'll be watching SB19 concert because it's worth it. Ano kayo lagay? Pero syempre iba dyan guys, lagay nila will be attending an event. Yung iba mga joke pa-file na. Pero guys, for me, no? Kung mag-deliver ka lang din, no? Kunyari sa mismong weekdays, no? Diba? Concert ng SB19, no? Or kahit weekends. Yung iba kasi syempre may pasok din kahit weekends, no? For me, worth it po siya guys, no? Una sa lahat guys, no? Pag pumunta ka ron is talagang jam-pack po talaga. At the same time, package po talaga as in lahat mag-i-enjoy ka sa event nila, no? Hindi lang kasi to the point na more on performances sila, no? Meron sila mga pasabog. At the same time guys, no? Sing and dance po siya, no? Kaya sobrang sarap panoorin, no? Hindi ko naman parang inaano po yung ibang mga performers, ibang mga singers or what, no? Pero for me kasi as a dancer guys, as a dancer, no, syempre ang sarap lang sa feeling na yung art ko na which is pagsasayaw, no, is na-appreciate na po all over the world, no. Actually dati na-actually appreciate po siya, no? Pero ibang level na po yung mismong recognition, no. Kaya natuwa ko dahil napakarami mga Pinoy dancers, mga mananayaw po talaga nabibigyan ng break na maging choreographer, na maging member or maging backup dancer or maging dance director ng mga pop groups, 'di ba guys? Kaya sobrang natutuwa po talaga ako, nabigyan tayo ng break, no? Or if not, meron din ako mga kilala guys na naging member mismo ng isang P-pop group guys, no? From a dancer and then nag-train siya and then sila guys, marami, hindi lang isa guys, no? Nag-train sila and ngayon nasa mga iba't ibang grupo na po talaga sila, no? P-pop group po talaga, no? So yun, nabibigyan talaga sila ng break. Grabe, no?
Take a leave, it's worth it. You think? You know, being in a homecoming to supporting them, is it worth it to take a leave? For plane ticket, everything, it's worth it. It's worth it. So see you. See you. On record. See you. Bye. Oh, sure.
So ayan guys, no. So ayan yung mga ganyang klaseng bagay, no. Ayan yung mga cherish natin. Ayan yung mga bagay na talagang dapat nating ipagmalaki, no. Kasi iba't ibang tao, iba't ibang lahi na po na nakakapansin, nakaka-appreciate ng talento po talaga ng SB19, no. So ulitin ko sa inyo guys na yung mga ganyang klaseng appreciation, please wag naman sana nating masamain porket ano sila, no, biglang sabihin nila na magli-live sila or what para sa SB19, no. Baka sabihin niyo, ano ba yan? Dapat nirespeto mo yung company mo, baka may biglang mga doon, mga parang pumatol sa mga ganun, no? Di ba? Hindi guys, so decision naman ng tao yan, no? Kung alam naman nila na wala silang pending works or what, no? Gagawin nila lahat. Tapos, syempre, para makapag-live, no? Di ba? So, wala namang masama. No? Decision ng tao yan, no? So, kanya-kanyang decision po yan. Pero for me, guys, so, kung halimbawa may ganyan, no? Didiskarte ako na, tapusin ko na lahat ng work ko tapos para maka-attend ako sa concert, no? So yun na guys, I hope na enjoy nyo itong video to na no, as much as I did guys, no? So maraming salamat. So this is Point of Signing out. Peace. Bless you.